Genndy Tartakovsky has spent his career breaking the rules of animation, but with Primal, he didn't just break them, he fed them to a Tyrannosaurus. After a third season that expanded the scope from prehistoric survival to a high fantasy cosmic horror, the anticipation for season 4 has reached a fever pitch. As we look towards season 4, the Primal verse is wider than ever. Is it time to return to Spear's bloodline, or are we about to witness an entirely new era of prehistoric carnage? Today, we are looking at the clues Genndy left behind and what they reveal about the most anticipated return in animation. As of now, the dust is still settling from the season 3 finale. While Primal has not yet officially renewed for season 4, the narrative shifts and creator comments gives us a very clear picture of what to expect next. Let's see what is expected to happen in season 4 of Primal. The season 3 finale doubled down on the time skip ending of season 2, but with a twist, Spear survived his wounds and was shown living alongside his family. Expect season 4 to shift focus towards Spear and Myra's daughter as the primary protagonist. Thanks grown offspring, Spike and Sonja will likely step into the role of primary animal companions, mirroring the bond their mother had with Spear. Genndy Tartakovsky has repeatedly expressed interest in turning Primal into a Twilight Zone style anthology. He had hinted that while Spear and Fang's story is the heart of the show, the Primal brand is meant to represent raw, visual, 2D storytelling in any era. Season 3 introduced the Black River people and nomadic hunters that shared Spear's lineage. A major plot point for season 4 could involve Spear or his daughter seeking out the remnants of their original tribe. As the show progresses, the world is becoming less prehistoric and more ancient civilization. Expect the daughter to face enemies with even more advanced bronze or iron weaponry, heightening the underdog nature of her survival. Are we looking at a future where Spear's daughter takes the lead, or will we jump to a completely different era of history? Only time will tell. Guys, that's it for today. Let me know your wildest Primal Season 4 theories in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of Tartakovsky. Thank you.